Looking for an experience to enjoy the snow during summer in Europe? Here's a destination that you must add to your bucket list.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel and welcome to the top of Europe.
The journey begins with a bus ride from Zurich to Interlaken. On this ride, you get to witness the scenic townships, mesmerizing rivers, and countless tunnels. The first stop is a small town of Interlaken. If you enjoy paragliding or fancy designer Swiss watches, you can utilize this 30-minute stop to indulge in the same. Although, if you enjoy trekking or the peace of untouched nature, spending a night here is highly recommended. The journey continues with a panoramic cable car ride from Grindelwald Terminal and a cogwheel train that takes you to the peak of Jungfraujoch. And with that, we have arrived at our destination, Jungfraujoch, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. While here, do not miss the tour of the Ice Palace, which hosts several ice sculptures. It's time to head back to Zurich. During our descent, we will be passing by a holiday resort in Lauterbrunnen. To all my SRK fans, here is your moment to recreate a scene from DDLJ. With that, we come to the end of this vlog. We had booked this tour from Get Your Guide, the link of which has been added to the description below. I hope you like this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Loads of love. Bye.